अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू दी लेटेस्ट जॉब इंक्वायरी। आज मैं आपको अपनी इस वीडियो में म्यूनसिपल ऑफिसर्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए पार्ट 2 करवाऊंगी। पार्ट 1 में मैंने एमपीए के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करवाए थे और आज पार्ट 2 में मैं एमबीए के रिलेटेड करवाऊंगी और थर्ड पार्ट में मैं आपको पब्लिक पॉलिसी, गवर्नेंस एंड पब्लिक पॉलिसी के बारे में एमसीक्यूज करवाऊंगी। चलो टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, पब्लिक अकाउंटेंट्स जनरली परफॉर्म दिस सर्विस। इसका करेक्ट आंसर ए है। इसमें इनकम टैक्स सर्विसेज, मैनेजमेंट एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज एंड इंडिपेंडेंट ऑडिटिंग सर्विसेज। Question 2, identify the organization created by Congress to regulate security market, including flow of information from companies to public. इसका correct answer D है, SEC. Select the term that describe a cash distribution to a corporation's stockholders. करेक्ट आंसर इसका सी है, डिविडेंड। फोर्थ पे आ जाए तो फेडरिक विल्सन टेलर वर्क entitled The Principle of Scientific Management is published in 1911 में हुई थी ये published. One of the most successful industrialists and the father of modern personal management is Robert Owen, who has the major contribution in the theory of bureaucracy. Max Weber है. Correct answer है. Which one of the following MNC has the higher revenue during mid 1990s? Correct answer इसका none of the above. 8 पे आ जाएं, give the name of the author who has the major contribution in the field of marketing. W.J. Stanton है. The profit margin is a ratio between the corporation net income and total revenues. ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट है, MNC are responsible for the majority of foreign direct investment and have a higher revenues than the national income of some of the countries they serve. Fully agreed. Next question है, earned but uncollected revenues that are regarding the adjusted process recorded with a credit to the revenue and debit to the expense is called accrued revenues. Correct answer है. Next, which one of the following is not a part of marketing mix? Person इसका correct answer है. The major step in the accounting cycle are the following. None of the above. इसका correct answer है. Which of the following item is not unique to the financial statement of merchandising companies? Account receivable. Correct answer है. The repair made to keep a plant in normal and good operating condition are called ordinary repairs. Correct answer है. A company that owns more than 50% share to another company and control that corporation is known as consolidate co. 17 पे आ जाए, the process of individual growth in the full utilization of a person's managerial capability is called management development. ये ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. प्रमोशन इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग. नॉट एग्रीड. करेक्ट आंसर है, अ वे ऑफ एनालाइजिंग लीडरशिप स्टाइल वेयर लीडर आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन अ ग्रिड विद 2 डायमेंशन इज कॉल्ड मैनेजरियल ग्रिड. नेक्स्ट है, रॉबर्ट ओवन इज नाउन एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट. ये इसका यस है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मोस्ट प्रीफर्ड स्टॉक पेज अ फिक्स डिवाइडेड एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है, एनी इंक्रीज इन एन एसेट आइटम इज अ सोर्स ऑफ फंड. फॉल्स है. Depreciation is a bookkeeping entry that allocates the cost of assets against income but does not involve any movement of capital. True statement है. Next, the maturity of a security relate to the owner ability to convert it into cash on short notice. False. The credit period represents the period of time during which a cash discount can be taken on short notice. False. Which ratio is computed with the help of the following: cost of goods sold. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर सी है, इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर. Dash is the right that is delegated to an individual or a department to control specific process, practice, policies and other matter relating to activities undertaken by a person in other department. Correct answer B है, functional authority. नेक्स्ट है डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इज़ द टेंडेंसी टू डिस्पर्स डिसीजन मेकिंग इज़ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. ये ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट, प्रोग्राम्स आर प्लान्स विच आर जनरली स्टेटमेंट आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स दैट गाइड आर चैनल थिंकिंग इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. ये ट्रू है. नेक्स्ट है डैश इज़ दैट पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजिंग दैट इन्वॉल्व्स establishing an international structure of roles for people to fill in an organization. Correct answer इसका है none of these organizing है. Next, Henry Fayol applied the principle of division of work to all kind of work, managerial as well as technical. True है statement. Dash spell out specific required action or non-actions allowing no discretion. ये इसका correct answer C है, rules. Next, business buyers are as geographical dispersed as final consumer. False statement है. The distribution between a consumer good and an industrial good is based on the purpose for which product is purchased. ये ट्रू इसका ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट, इंटेंसिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन occur when the product is stocked in as many outlets as possible. ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट, मर्चेंट wholesalers are independently owned business that do not take title to the goods they sell. False statement है. Which of the following element in a compensation package provide the greatest amount of incentives for salesperson? Correct answer C है, commissions. Next, the process whereby the seller distinguishes between market segments, select one or more of these segments and develops products and making mix tailored to each segment is called dash marketing. ये target marketing correct answer है. Next, goods that the consumer in the process of selection and purchase characteristically compares on such base as suitability, quality, price and style are called. Correct answer A है, shopping. Next, the product dash is a period of rapid market acceptance and increasing profit. ये growth है, product growth. Correct answer है. Which one of the following statement is correct? ये क्वेश्चन है तो इसका जो करेक्ट जवाब है वो पब्लिक डिसीजन मेकर्स इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट to their business counterparts are constrained by administrative procedure that limit managerial authority and autonomy. Correct answer इसका ये है. Next है who has written the famous book Principle of Scientific Management. ये फेडरिक टेलर थे, उन्होंने लिखी. Which one of the following cannot be considered as an important dimension on which nation culture differ? तो करेक्ट आंसर डी है, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. नेक्स्ट, मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन pricing strategy can be pursued in price sensitive market. Correct answer true है. Next, a product can have a combination of physical product and service. True statement है vertical marketing system is integration of manufacturing and marketing activities. True statement है distribution of free product sample is part of publicity. True statement है. Next question है which one of the following is not the part of marketing mix. तो correct answer इसका none of the above is the part of marketing mix. Next है which one of the following is not the part of product attributes. तो इसका है correct answer B positioning. Next, under the monopolistic combination market consists of few sellers who are highly sensitive to each other's pricing and marketing strategy. ये false statement है. Next, which of the following statement is not part of the theory X assumption? Correct answer A है decisions are made in participative manner. Next है which of the following statement is not true? तो correct answer C है planning reduce flexibility. Next है which of the following source of power is dependent on authority? Legitimate power है correct answer. Next है deciding whether to record a sales when order for service is received or when the service are performed is an example of recognition issues. Correct answer है payment for a 2 years insurance policy in advance is debit to insurance expense. Correct answer है which of the following is an important reason for studying accounting? Correct answer A है accounting information is useful in marketing and making economic decision. Next है if a company has liability of 19,000 and owner's equity of 57,000, its assets are correct answer 76,000 है. Transaction are initially recorded in the T accounts. Correct answer है. Next the term hybrid security is used for ये correct answer C है a preferred stock. Next है business risk is influenced by the firm's decision to use debit in its financial structure. True statement है the most important function of management is controlling. ये true है. A short term creditor would consider liquidity ratios to be more important than efficiency ratio. ये true है. According to Maslow, when a need is satisfied, it tends to lose its ability to motivate. Correct answer ये true statement है. Next the term marketing mix refers to the degree of advertising versus personal selling used to market product. False statement है. Next है the difference between an agent and a merchant wholesaler is that an agent always take title but a merchant wholesaler does not. ये false statement है. Next है the management of working capital is required because of a lack of short terms synchronization between demand and supply. ये correct true है. Next है a manager who believed that people inherently dislike work probably accept McGregor's theory X. ये true है. Inventory carrying cost can be minimized by carrying fewer units in inventory. ये true है. A balance sheet is an accounting report used slowly for the corporate form of business. ये false statement है. Next है for management budgeting is perhaps the most powerful control device. Correct answer है. The income statement is a summary of revenue and expenses. Correct answer है. One benefit of using ratio analysis when interpreting financial statement is that correct answer A है ratio facilitate comparison between different companies. Next है planting and policies making are primary function of top management. Correct answer है. Next, an informal organization often exists within a business because ये इसका all of this correct answer है. Next है in marketing, selling and buying would be called the exchange functions. Next है institutional advertising is correct answer D है designed simply to show that the firm is a good place to do business. Next, the current ratio of a firm having 25,000 of current assets and 30,000 of fixed assets, 5,000 of current liabilities and 10,000 to fixed liability would be correct answer. इसका A है 5:A. Next है the organization form that replaces individual authority at all level with group representation is functional. Correct answer है. Next, working capital may be expressed as correct answer A है current assets minus current liabilities. Next है in a large corporation the firm's owner are usually its top manager. False. Next, the basic information needed to construct a flow of funds statement is found on the income statement. True है. The operating break even point is the point at which operating profit equal revenues minus operating cost. False है. Next, a sinking fund is a poorly performing mutual funds whose net asset value is declining. False है. Next है penetration pricing is used when a marketer introduce a new product at a relatively high price. False है statement. Next is the most common channel for consumer product is manufacturing, retailer, consumer. True है. Next, in the classification of consumer products, convenience products are usually more expensive than shopping products. False statement है. Next है during the maturity stage of the PLC sales increase at faster rate than during any other stage. False statement है. Next, a wide span of management result in few organizational level and a narrow span result in many levels. True statement है. The line relationship involves making decision and acting on them. True है. Next है data is defined as formal system of gathering, integration, comparing, analyzing and dispersing information internal and external to the enterprise in a timely, effective and efficient manner. False statement है. A manager who believes that people inherently dislike work probably accept McGregor's theory X. True है. Next है if a manufacturer give a 30% discount to retailer and a 10% discount to a wholesalers, which type of discount is being given? ये correct answer functional है, also called trade discount. Next है publicity differ from advertising is as much as. Correct answer D है, it is a non-paid form of reaching the public. Next है in which stage of the PLC are promotion expenses per products item usually highest? Correct answer A है introduction. Next है which of the following is not a disadvantage of using a committee? Correct answer C है group deliberation and judgment. Next है identify the organization established by our federal government to regulate security marketing. Correct answer B है SEC. Next, if the credit term are 2/10, net 30 and the amount of invoice is 4,000, how much it how much is the discount if the invoice is paid in 20 days? इसका करेक्ट आंसर ए है 0. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रमोशन मिक्स? करेक्ट आंसर बी है प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग. नेक्स्ट है सेलिंग एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड्स क्लोजिंग द सेल. करेक्ट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट है प्लानिंग इनिशिएट्स अदर फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है मैनेजमेंट मेक थिंग्स टू हैपन. फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है द अल्टीमेट क्राइटेरियन of control is the extent that activities are complete in way that lead to more profit. False. Next है computer technology help the management but does not replace the management. True statement है. Next है promotional mix is also known as communication mix. True statement है. Next, marketing environment is made up of micro environment and macro environment. True statement है. Next है promotion mix is the part of marketing mix. False statement है. Next, marketing strategy consists of specific strategy for target markets, positioning, the marketing mix and the marketing expenditure levels. True statement है a financial manager has a full control over its firm stock price. इसका करेक्ट ये ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. द इंटरनल रेट्स ऑफ रिटर्न मेथड इज़ द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड कैपिटल बजटिंग टेक्निक्स. फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट है stock exchange facilitate investment in real assets by providing secondary marketing to the financial security. False statement है. The organization function of management include, इसका correct answer A है how tasks to be grouped. Next है the key to motivating today diversified workforce lie in goal setting. नेक्स्ट है कंट्रोल शुड बी प्लेस्ड. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑन ऑल एक्टिविटीज़. नेक्स्ट है द मार्केटिंग लॉजिक बाय विच द बिजनेस यूनिट होप्स टू अचीव इट्स मेकिंग मार्केटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव इज कॉल्ड. करेक्ट आंसर बी है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी. नेक्स्ट है स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपिंग अ फॉर्मल स्ट्रेटजी फॉर. इसका करेक्ट आंसर नेक्स्ट है हु आर द ट्रू ओनर्स ऑफ कॉरपोरेशन. करेक्ट आंसर बी है कॉमन स्टॉक होल्डर्स. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट डज एन एफिशिएंट पोर्टफोलियो प्रोवाइड. करेक्ट आंसर बोथ ए एंड बी है यानी हाईएस्ट रिटर्न फॉर अ गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्क, लेस रिस्क फॉर अ गिवन लेवल ऑफ रिटर्न. नेक्स्ट है द इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी increase when which of the following increase. तो correct answer B है ordering cost. Next है the 3 stages of marketing practice through which a company may pass are entrepreneurial marketing, formulative marketing and entrepreneurial marketing. True statement है. Next है the continual segmenting or fragmenting of market impedes the new product development process. Correct ये false है. Next है reverse flow channel refer to situation where one channel level acquire a level back in the channel such as shares owing its own supplier. True statement है. Next है planning is concerned with defining an organization goal and objective and how to integrate and coordinate activities. True statement है. Next है leadership and management are two terms for the same process. False. Next है in informal planning the organization objective are rarely verbalized. True statement है. Next, the trait approach to leadership has identified a specific set of personality characteristics that determine leader success. True statement है. Next है a brand is an offering from a known source. True है. Next, the concept of compounding deals with defining the future value of a present sum. True statement है. Next, a short-term creditor would be most interested in the firm's of leverage ratio. इसका जो ये false statement है. Next है working capital's management include in part the administration of cash, marketable security, receivable and inventories. True statement है. Next है which of the following is not one of the four specific drivers that underpin the new economy. Correct answer C है customer delivered value. Next है dash lays out the target market and viable proposition that organization will offer based on an analysis of the best market opportunities. Correct answer A है the strategic marketing plan. Next है the attractiveness of a market offering is based on. Correct answer इसका B है on the match between customer need and wants and distribution and pricing of the product. Next है high level of effort are unlikely to lead to favorable job performance unless. Correct answer B है quality of the effort is also considered. Next है in order to bring about effective organizational change is technology need to be accompanied by making change in structure. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट है a capital investment is one that. करेक्ट आंसर B है has the prospect of long term benefit. नेक्स्ट है in the general level of interest rate rises the price of already issued bonds will. करेक्ट आंसर C है fall. नेक्स्ट है if the EOQ for an atom decrease the average level of inventory will decrease. Next statement है a decision is a choice made between two or more alternatives. True है. Frank Gilbreth is known as father of scientific management. False है. The responsibility for organizational planning rest with middle level management. True है. Next है the Hawthorne experiment found that people were more concerned with preserving the work group than with maximizing their pay. True है. Next है selling concept assumes that heavy selling and promotional efforts are needed to stimulate more demand for the product. True statement है. Next है any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or service by identified sponsor is known as public relation. False statement है. Next है market segmentation is concerned with dividing the market demographically and geographically. False है. Next है joint venturing is a form of entering foreign market by joining with foreign companies to produce or market a product or service. False statement है. Next है another name of the cash flow is accounting profit. False. The financial manager has full control over his firm's stock price. False. Next, systematic risk can be diversified away by adding more securities to a portfolio. False. Next, discounting is the process of finding present value. ये true है. Next है extreme divisions of labor lead to result in boredom. Correct answer है. Next है Foyle defined 14 principles of management. Which of the following is not one of those principles? Correct answer इसका D है direct. Next है Foyle defined 40 principles of management. Which of the following is not one of those principles. Correct answer इसका D है, directedness of command. Next है, an example of pre-control established by management would be, ये correct answer इसका D है, all of these rules, policies, budgets. Next है, firms credit policy usually include establishing. Correct answer इसका D है, all of these credit standards, credit terms, collection policy. Next है, liquidity ratio are computed by using information forms. Correct answer A है, balance sheet. Next है, conservative working capitals management strategy involve. Correct answer A है, low risk, low return. Next है, product life cycle has the following stage. Correct answer D है, introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Next है, which product is most likely to be purchased through routine decision making. Correct answer है C, soft drink. Next है, the last stage of Maslow need hierarchy is esteem. Correct answer is ये false statement है. An effective manager is one who achieve the goal with the least amount of resources. True statement है. Next है, audit is a type of controlling system. Correct answer ये true है. Next है, removal of undesirable elements serves as negative reinforcement tool to motivate the pupil. True है. Marketing of service heavily rely on advertising. True है. Advertising is paid personal communication through media. False. Skimming pricing is used when the customer are quality conscious. True. Next, advertising is usually at the top of promotion mix of every product. True है. Next है, profit as against share price. Maximization is always a desirable goal of organization. False है. Next है, for a short term creditor, liquidity ratio are more important than efficient ratio. True है. Next है, low level of net working capital decrease risk. False है. The present value of an annuity is inversely related to future value of annuity. True है. Next है, the three level of a product are. Correct answer है, augmentation, core and actual. Next है, MBO means management by objective. Correct answer है, the two boards price policy are. C. Correct answer है, skimming and demand based pricing. Next है, quick ratio is calculated by dividing. None of these है correct answer. Decreasing inventories is a source of funds. Correct answer है, entrepreneur is. Correct answer C है, manager looking for every opportunity. Next है, the depth of a product mix indicate. Correct answer A है, all product offered by a company with its version. Next है, a person directly involved in operation and accomplishment of main objective of the firm is called line manager. Next है, the key input into discount cash flow analysis are projected future cash flow. True statement है, market demand for a product is the total volume that would be sold by a defining customer group. False है, operational plan applied to the entire organization and establish the organization overall goal. False है. Next है, preferred stock has a fixed divided paid every paid forever. So preferred stock is essentially a perpetuity. True है. Next है, the cost of a debt is the return that the firm's debitor demand on new borrowing. True है. Next है, which Search the internal rate of return. We try to find a single rate of return that summarizes the merit of a project. True है. Next, IBM is example of a manufacturer brand. True है. Next, modifying job responsibility is an example of structural change. False है. Next, dash is a statement reporting that effect of a firm operating, investing and financing activity on cash flow over an accounting period. Correct answer C है cash flow statement. Next है dash studied 5 chief executive at work and identified 10 managerial roles. Correct answer C है Henry Mintzberg. Next है a product life cycle. Correct answer A है show how a product sales or profit may rise or fall over its life. Next है all of the following are fixed assets except stock. Correct answer है next है what is the influencing environmental factor when interest rate increase and firms find it difficult to borrow funds. Correct answer इसका C है economic factor. Next है which of the following is not a market entry strategy. Correct answer D है international marketing. Next dash is information about physical working condition, work schedule and the organizational and social context of the job. Correct answer B है job context. Next है the liquidity of a firm is a measure of. Correct answer इसका A है its ability to pay bill. Next है market share means. Correct answer इसका B है how much power a firm has in the market. Next है dash refer to a management philosophy that require employer to continuously set and relentlessly meet our high quality cost and deliver and availability goals. Correct answer इसका C है continuous improvement. Next है beta. Correct answer B है it is a measure of market risk. Next है what is the price of a stock that is expected to pay 1.00 divided next year if the cost of capital is 40% and the growth rate is 0. Correct answer A है 7.14. Next है which wish to borrow $8,000 to be repaid in 24 monthly installment at an annual interest rate of 8%. What is your monthly payment? Correct answer E है none. Next है if you invest 600 every 6 months at 8% compounded semi-annually, how much would you accumulate at the end of 10 years? Correct answer C है 17,866.85. Next है a commercial bank will loan you 12,250 for 3 years to buy a car. The loan must be repaid in 36 equal monthly payment. The annual interest rate on the loan loan is 12% of the unpaid balance. How large are the monthly payment? Correct answer none है. What is the future value of 500 investment with a stated rate of 6% compound monthly for 7 years? 760 इसका correct answer है. Next है you are considering investing in a preferred stock that has a dividend of 3.25 per shares. The market price of the stock is 48.625. What is the rate of return you would expect to make on this perpetuity? 6.68%. Next, what is not a disadvantage of traditional file processing system? Correct answer B है reduced data redundancy. Next है an enterprise data model is a dash model. Graphical correct answer है. Next है but which is not a component of fractional database. Correct answer है hierarchy. Next है database application can be divided into 5 categories. Which is not a database application category. Correct answer है relational. Next है a database that support organization wide operation and decision making is a dash enterprise database. Correct answer है. Next है as small companies begin to achieve success, they tend to adopt some of the tools used in professionally run marketing commerce. This is a sign that the firm is in the dash stage of marketing practice. Entrepreneurial marketing. Correct answer है. Next है the concept of a dash is used to describe a cluster of complementary products that are closely related in the mind of the consumer but are spread across a diverse set of industry. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ए है मेटा मार्केट. नेक्स्ट है marketers can increase the value of customers offering by. Correct answer D है all of the above can increase the customer values. Next है when a firm see its competitor as all companies that compete for the same consumer dollars, they are concerned with dash level of competition. Correct answer B है industry. Next है the number of channel levels from raw material to final product which a company will participate define the firm's dash scope. Vertical scope इसका correct answer है. Next है which of the following best describe the organizational member of integrate and coordinate the work of other. Correct answer A है managers. Next है dash represent the lowest level of management. Correct answer B है first line manager. Next है which of the following role is more important for lower level managers than for either middle or top level manager. Correct answer B है leader. Next है which of the following skill involve working well with other people. Correct answer B है human. Next है the phrase most associated with scientific management is. Correct answer B है one of the best. Next है Frederick Wilson Taylor's principle of scientific management suggested the use of scientific method to define. Correct answer C है the best way of doing a job. Next है the quantitative approach using quantitative techniques in management is called. C. Correct answer है quantitative approach. Next है the perspective that manager are directly responsible for an organization success is known as. Correct answer A है omnipotent view of management. Next है effective management decision are. Correct answer C है rational. Next है break even analysis is a useful technique for reducing operating cost. Next है recruitment help. Correct answer A है improve productivity of HR. Next है grapevine is. Correct answer D है none of this. इसका correct answer informal business communication है. Next है most important asset in an organization is. C है employees. Next है employee resist organizational change because it. C correct answer है create uncertainty. Next है strictly observe corporate ethic is. Correct answer C है an essential requirements of professional business management. Next है according to Herzberg motivation. hygiene theory implies salary is hygiene factors. Next है who has the most power in value chain. Correct answer इसका C है customer. Next है marketing is correct answer B है the range of services starting and ending with the customer. Next है marketing strategy is B correct answer है activities aimed at creating value and profitable relationship with customer. Next है cost strategy means charging. B correct answer है lowest price for products. Next है branding is C correct answer है useful for building products loyalty. Next है creation of value in a business means C correct answer है optimizing shareholders return in a company. Next है price earning ratio of a company show relationship between its C correct answer है market price of its shares and earning per shares. Next है free cash flow और correct answer इसका B है expected revenue minus expected cost and capital expenditures. Last है term interest earn is correct answer इसका A है EBIT डिवाइडेड इंटरेस्ट ऑन डेबिट। तो ये थे MBA के रिलेटेड 200 क्वेश्चन। इंशाल्लाह मैं थर्ड पार्ट में आपके साथ गवर्नेंस एंड पब्लिक पॉलिसीज़ के रिलेटेड मटेरियल शेयर करूँगी। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ लाजमी शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकें। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।